You know what this means. Today's the day, y'all. Let's get it before. Let's get this lift on.
Hard is it to get the stops back though? You want to?
Not hard. Well, whoever wants to go back to stop. Not me. Huh, Dad?
You and your old ass park.
Huh, Dad?
Yes, sir. Yes, son.
Clean. Let's get it.
We're dropping, be careful.
No, Loom Stars.
Aluma stars. No, please don't buy
What's that? Loom Stars.
the lightest weld you can get to. That's what I wanted to put on it.
Damn.
Holy
Hey,
fuck.
you go down on
Let's go.
That's why.
Fucking piece of shit. We already did a little fun, you know?
Little petty.
Just a little bit, you know, just had to break her in.
Right.
Good. Besides the alignment, obviously I need an alignment. I'm gonna wait for my wheels to come. It rides real good. Can you tell us lift it, pa? And then once we do the bumpers and everything,
Like the cool